Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today I want to show you guys some new units that I got from Sensationnel. I haven't done any hair units in a while, so I'm excited to do this. I'm not an expert by any means. I'm not like a really great with the hair. I'm still learning, but this is from a beginner standpoint so we can see how easy this really is, okay? So if you're interested in seeing the Sensationnel in the UD2 and UD4, then please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Like, comment below, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Alright beauties, let's go ahead and get started on this tutorial or try on. So I'm starting off with the UD2 here. This is the more loose curl one, and this one is my fave that I've seen on people, so I'm really excited to see how it looks. It comes with the ponytail. So the ponytail is on this side and the half wig is on this side. This is the instant up and down 2, and I have it in the color 2. So once again, you can see it a little better. This is the ponytail here, and this is the half wig. We'll be doing the half up and half down, but you can do 4 different styles with this unit. This is how it looks on the card with the half up, half down, and these are the 3 different other styles that you can do. So it looks really, really cool. I know these are really, really helpful for people who know what they're doing for sure. But me, we're going to see what we're going to be able to do. It has 2 combs at the top and 1 big comb in the nape. And then it has a drawstring right here. This is how the netting looks on the inside. So I'm going to put this on this part right here. So I'm just clipping those 2 sides. I'm trying to stretch them as far to the sides that I can. Okay, the combs are in. I'm gonna put the bottom comb in. Okay. And I went higher because when I put the bottom comb in, it was kind of going up to, I was having to push it up too much. So now I'm pushing the bottom comb in and pulling the drawstring. Okay, so this is how it looks right now with just a half wig and my little bun before I add my ponytail. And it feels really light and pretty. So far, I am loving this. Feels really, really light. So yeah, that looks cute. Now we're going to go through the ponytail. I'm going to show you the ponytail. This is how the ponytail looks. It has this stretchy part that wraps around, and it has like a stretch thing right here. And it has 1 comb right in here. And so yeah, this is how you wrap the ponytail. From everybody that I saw, they had to have a pin in there for the end. Alright beauties, yes, I'm so here for this. Like, I'm like ducking down so you guys can see because my camera lens is like a small box, but oh my gosh, this is the one. the 2, the 3, and the 4. I feel like I'm about to order a backup for this because this is so pretty, and I actually feel really comfortable wearing this. It's not tangling. I haven't had any shedding. I did the UD2 and there was some shedding with that one, the long unit, but I also had the ash blonde that you guys will see. And this one right here though, this is the one. This is so pretty. I'm in love. I am in love. Let me know if you guys are feeling this. I'm just kind of leaning down in my chair so you can kind of see. This is beginner, you guys. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't usually do ponytails and stuff, but these units were just so cute I had to. Let me go ahead and show you guys how it looks from the back. And back to the front. And this is the instant up down, 100% premium fiber, 1 half wig, 1 pony rep, and these are the styles that it says you can do with it. So let's get started, you guys. But this is the half wig part of it. So it comes in its own little package, and it has its own little thing attached to it. Is the ponytail. So there's like a section here for the half wig and here for the ponytail. The half wig is here. It has 2 combs right here and a big comb right here and a drawstring right here. So that's what it's going to come with. Okay. We're almost there, y'all. I'm gonna put this here. So far, I haven't had any shedding. I'm not sure about this color on me, but okay. So I feel like the half wig is in right, but let me go ahead and figure this part out. You guys let me know how you feel about this color and the style. Alright beauty, so this is look number 1. I wanted to bring it with the punch with the ash blonde. The other colors are just the number 2. But I just really wanted to experiment a little because this is about to be spring and I want to experiment with more colors. Now this does shed now that I've had it on for a little bit. This is about how much shedding I've gotten so far. So it does shed, and this is what's in the brush. This is how it came together. I told you guys I was going to come with a bang at the end once I got my hair all together. And this is what we are looking like. This is so pretty and different for me. I don't usually do color like this, but I wanted to try something different and I am here for it. You guys let me know if you are feeling this. Let me know if you are loving this minimal makeup that is beautiful and easy for spring that will still bang a pop. Let me know because I want to know how you guys are feeling about this look. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. And don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful because there's only one you. Bye.